The Zwinner Trend Oscillator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. Traders can conveniently download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms from this section. To learn more about how the indicator operates and its overall functionality, they can refer to this page. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is running on the chart, an oscillator window will be displayed at the bottom of the chart. The Zwinner Trend Indicator is a special and practical tool that traders can use to identify the market trend direction, and based on the trend direction, they can enter buy or sell positions in the market When green signals are displayed, we can consider them as buy signals and enter a buy position. And when red signals are displayed, it means the trend is bearish and we can enter a sell position in the market. However, to reduce risk and to obtain appropriate and suitable trading signals, we can use reliable trading positions based on the main market trend direction to enter positions. For example, here. The price is making higher highs and higher lows, so here, the very first green signal is displayed on the chart, which essentially means that we now have the opportunity to consider taking a buy position in the market. At this point, we can set our take profit level based on either a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio, depending on our trading strategy and risk tolerance, or alternatively, we can choose to stay in the position until an opposite signal appears, indicating a potential change in market direction. Additionally, in this particular section, we can clearly observe that the price is consistently making lower highs as well as lower lows, which is a sign of a downtrend. When a red signal is displayed, this gives us the opportunity to enter a sell position. We can then set our stop loss accordingly, or we may decide to remain in the position until an opposite signal is generated, signaling a possible reversal in the trend. Here, a marker is displayed for each individual candlestick, and each marker clearly indicates either bullish or bearish trends within the overall market. In the Settings section, under the Input tab, there are options available for us. In the first parameter, we can specify the calculation period length for the indicator. The higher we set this value, the fewer trend changes we will see, and the indicator will identify longer-term trends while ignoring short-term trends. In the next parameter, we can specifically specify the MQL code that is responsible for displaying bullish signals right here in this section, and in the following parameter, we can similarly set the MQL code that will be used for displaying bearish signals. By default, this setting is configured to use code 110, but you are free to enter your own desired codes here based on the MQL markers that you prefer, and you can choose and select the markers in any way you like, according to your own preferences and requirements. This flexibility allows you to customize the behavior of the signals to suit your particular trading strategy or analytical needs. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.